What if you could hop into a time machine and witness the birth of the pyramids? Or even stroll through the streets of a future world yet to be imagined? Time travel, a concept that has captured human imagination for centuries, raises one of the most thrilling questions in science. Is it possible to travel through time? Time travel has long been a staple of science fiction, but intriguing scientific theories suggest that it's not entirely beyond the realm of possibility. The most famous theory comes from Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, which posits that time is not a constant, but rather a fluid dimension that can be affected by gravity and velocity. Essentially, time slows down the faster you move through space. This means that if you were to travel near the speed of light, time would pass more slowly for you compared to someone on Earth. In theory, this could allow you to travel into the future, arriving in a time when centuries have passed, while only moments have gone by for you. But what about traveling into the past? This is where things get more speculative. The idea of a wormhole, a shortcut through the fabric of space-time, has been suggested as a potential method for jumping to another point in time. Imagine it like folding a piece of paper so two distant points touch, creating a shortcut. Some scientists believe that if wormholes exist, which is still an open question, they could theoretically allow for time travel to the past or future, although stabilizing one for human use is still a long way off. Beyond the science, the cultural fascination with time travel reveals much about our desires and fears. Time travel allows us to grapple with the most profound aspects of existence: the ability to change history, correct past mistakes, or see the consequences of our present actions on the future. However, this concept is fraught with paradoxes. One classic example is the grandfather paradox. If you went back in time and prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, you would never be born, creating a logical contradiction. Historically, time travel wasn't always seen as something so futuristic. The ancient Greeks had their own version of time manipulation in their myths, with gods like Chronos and figures like Orpheus traveling through realms that could bend time itself. Similarly, H.G. Wells's The Time Machine, published in 1895, is considered the first modern piece of science fiction to explore time travel, and it's shaped the way we think about it today. While time travel remains speculative and theoretical, it forces us to rethink our understanding of time itself. What if, in the distant future, humanity learns to bend the rules of physics as we know them? Perhaps time travel, as impossible as it seems now, could one day be a reality. Until then, we continue to explore this exciting possibility, imagining the endless possibilities it holds for altering the course of history, or simply taking an unforgettable journey through time.